Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthi. This week, I'm making a game that I'm entering into the Because We Make Podcasts Unwrap a Project Challenge. This one's gonna be fun. Let's check it out. So when I thought of this game, this was my first prototype. Basically, we would take clothespins and try and flip them in. That was the first shot. That's pretty amazing. But that was pretty ordinary, not really charming or decorous. So we had to take it up a notch. Let's get back to the video. To make this game a little more classy, I decided to make a top hat out of wood. Here I'm just cutting up these pieces of 1x10 to form the top of the top hat. I'm just using one of our bowls as a template, and I'll cut these out with the jigsaw. Now with the jigsaw put away, I took the top to a pot and used it as another template. Anything and everything in my house can be used. And I'll take these over to the bandsaw. I'm getting all these rings glued up, put in the clamps, and let it sit overnight. Now that everything's out of the clamps, I can start carving this down. My lathe is not very big, and so I couldn't put this on the lathe and spin it round. So I'll just have to carve this top hat with the angle grinder and my sander. With a taper going down from top to bottom. And after I got this round, I can start working on the base of the top hat. And here I'm just going to do a little power carving with the angle grinder again. With that done and looking pretty good, now I can glue both pieces together. Now with everything glued up, I can use some India ink and make this top hat black. And once that dried, I went ahead and painted the inside red just because. And now I can move on to the programming of the Arduino. I'm using an Arduino Nano connected to a servo motor that will spin when the button is pressed and open the lid of the top hat. stay open for about 60 seconds, and then close again. Really had to mangle that in there, so it doesn't look pretty, but this is just a prototype, so it's all good. Just adding a little cover for the switch and a little decoration. And this project's almost done. Hat Clips is a very charming and decorous game. You push this button, the lid of this top hat opens up, and each player, up to 4, takes a different colored clothespin and tries to squeeze them tight and flick them into the lid. After 60 seconds, the lid closes. You can open it back up and see how many of your colored clothespin got in. Whoever has the most wins.
I dare say, sir, that was most rude.
You were in my
improper.
way.
You were in my way, sir. There's only one way that we may settle this. And this is with the game of Hat Clips.
Hat Clips it is.
Indeed.
If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. Now, we're gonna go settle this like gentlemen. You guys have a great day. Go make something awesome. Hat Clips it is.
Hat Clips. Let's go. Gotten off to a sorry start. Yeah. I am clearly ready to get out of practice. Oh, atrocious throw. Ah! What? Most filthy pins. Ah! Alas, one I do believe was going in, though no longer.
Who won, Isaac?
Yeah.